Imagine a city where the sky meets the sea in a dazzling display of blue. A place where the horizon seems to stretch endlessly, blending the azure of the ocean with the cerulean sky, creating a mesmerizing vista that captures the heart and soul. Where sandstone cliffs embrace sparkling coves, their rugged beauty standing in stark contrast to the gentle lapping of the waves. These ancient formations tell stories of time and tide, offering a dramatic backdrop to the serene waters below, and sailboats glide across a sun-kissed harbour, their white sails billowing in the breeze, creating a picturesque scene that epitomizes the spirit of adventure and freedom. The harbour is alive with activity, a testament to the city's vibrant maritime culture. This is Sydney, a city that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Its skyline, punctuated by iconic landmarks, stands as a testament to its rich history and modern dynamism. From its iconic opera house to its bustling harbour, Sydney is a city that seamlessly blends urban excitement with natural beauty. The opera house, with its unique architecture, is a symbol of creativity and innovation, drawing visitors from around the globe. Sydney is a city that seamlessly blends urban excitement with natural beauty. Its parks and green spaces offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle, while the city's vibrant streets pulse with energy and life. As you soar above the city, you'll be greeted by a breathtaking panorama. The sprawling urban landscape is interspersed with patches of green, and the sparkling waters of the harbour reflect the city's towering skyscrapers. The Sydney Opera House, with its distinctive sail-like design, stands proudly on Bennelong Point. Its gleaming white shells are a marvel of modern architecture, a place where art and culture come alive. Nearby, the majestic Sydney Harbour Bridge arches gracefully across the harbour, connecting the northern and southern shores. This engineering marvel is not just a bridge, but a symbol of unity and progress. The harbour itself is a vibrant tapestry of ferries, yachts and cruise ships. Each vessel tells a story, from the daily commute of locals to the grand voyages of international travellers. Look closely and you might spot a playful dolphin or a majestic whale. These gentle giants of the sea remind us of the rich marine life that thrives in Sydney's waters. Sydney's beauty is not confined to its harbour. Lush parklands, golden beaches and scenic coastal walks offer endless opportunities for relaxation and adventure. Whether you're soaking up the sun on Bondi Beach or enjoying a picnic in the Royal Botanic Garden, there's something for everyone. And charming neighbourhoods beckon you to explore and discover the city's many treasures. From the historic Rocks district to the trendy cafes of Surrey Hills, each area has its own unique charm and character, inviting you to delve deeper into the heart of Sydney. No trip to Sydney is complete without a visit to the city's most recognisable landmark, the Sydney Opera House. This iconic structure is not just a building, it's a symbol of Australia's cultural identity and a masterpiece of modern architecture. This architectural marvel, with its soaring white sails, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. The design is both futuristic and timeless, capturing the imagination of millions who visit each year. Designed by Danish architect Jørgen Utzon, the Opera House was completed in 1973 after 14 years of construction. The journey to its completion was fraught with challenges, including budget overruns and political controversies, but the end result was nothing short of spectacular. Its unique design, inspired by the sails of boats on the harbour, was groundbreaking for its time and continues to captivate visitors from around the world. The structure's innovative use of precast concrete panels and its striking silhouette against the Sydney skyline make it a marvel of engineering and design. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a world of culture and entertainment. The interior spaces are just as impressive as the exterior, featuring stunning woodwork, intricate designs, and state-of-the-art acoustics that make every performance a memorable experience. The Opera House is home to multiple performance venues, including the Joan Sutherland Theatre, the Drama Theatre, and the Concert Hall. Each venue is designed to provide an optimal experience for different types of performances, from intimate plays to grand operas. From opera and ballet to theatre and music concerts, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The Opera House hosts over 1,500 performances annually, attracting some of the world's most renowned artists and performers. Take a guided tour to learn about the fascinating history and architecture of this iconic building. Knowledgeable guides provide insights into the design process, the challenges faced during construction, and the cultural significance of the opera house. Or simply stroll around the concourse, soak in the atmosphere, and capture some unforgettable photos. The surrounding area offers stunning views of the harbour and the Sydney skyline, making it a perfect spot for both relaxation and exploration. Standing tall as a symbol of Sydney's ambition and engineering prowess, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is an unmissable landmark. This steel behemoth, affectionately known as the coat hanger, connects the city centre to the northern suburbs. Completed in 1932, the bridge was a feat of engineering for its time. At its highest point, the bridge reaches 134 meters above sea level, offering breathtaking views of the city and its surroundings. For the adventurous at heart, there's no better way to experience the bridge than by climbing it. The bridge climb offers guided ascents to the summit, where you'll be rewarded with unparalleled panoramic views. If climbing isn't your cup of tea, you can still enjoy the bridge's grandeur by walking or cycling across it. The pedestrian walkway and cycleway offer fantastic vantage points for admiring the harbour and the city skyline. And where the city meets the sea, you'll find Circular Quay, a bustling hub of activity and the gateway to Sydney Harbour. Ferries crisscross the water, carrying passengers to various destinations around the harbour. Street performers entertain the crowds, and the aroma of fish and chips fills the air. Circular Quay is the perfect place to soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere, grab a coffee and watch the ferries come and go. Take a stroll along the waterfront promenade, or simply relax on a bench and enjoy the lively ambience. From here, you can catch a ferry to Manly, Taronga Zoo, or one of the many other harbourside suburbs. You can also join a harbour cruise to experience the beauty of Sydney Harbour from the water. Stepping back in time, the Rocks. Nestled at the foot of the Sydney Harbour Bridge lies the Rocks, Sydney's oldest neighbourhood. Steeped in history, the Rocks offers a glimpse into the city's colonial past. Cobblestone streets, heritage buildings and quaint pubs transport you back to Sydney's early days. Explore the area's hidden laneways and discover boutique shops, art galleries and cosy cafes. Visit the Museum of Contemporary Art for a dose of modern art, or step inside one of the historic pubs such as the Fortune of War or the Hero of Waterloo for a taste of old-world charm. On weekends, the Rocks comes alive with markets selling everything from handmade jewellery and crafts to souvenirs and local produce. It's the perfect place to find a unique gift or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. An oasis of calm, the Royal Botanic Garden, a place where nature and tranquility meet. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city at the Royal Botanic Garden, a tranquil oasis on the edge of Sydney Harbour. Here you can find peace and quiet amidst the vibrant city life. Established in 1816, the gardens are a living museum of flora from around the world. With over 200 years of history, the garden has evolved into a sanctuary for plant lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Wander through themed gardens, such as the Rose Garden, the Succulent Garden, and the Rainforest Walk. Each section offers a unique experience, showcasing the diversity of plant life from different climates and regions. Admire the towering trees, some of which are over 200 years old. These ancient giants provide shade and a sense of timelessness, connecting visitors to the past. And keep an eye out for native wildlife, such as kookaburras, lorikeets and flying foxes. The garden is not just a haven for plants, but also a sanctuary for various species of birds and animals. For the best views of the harbour, head to Mrs. Macquarie's Chair, a sandstone rock carved into the shape of a bench. This historic spot offers a perfect vantage point to take in the beauty of Sydney's iconic landmarks. From here, you can enjoy a panoramic vista that encompasses the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge, and the city skyline. It's a photographer's dream and a must-visit for anyone wanting to capture the essence of Sydney. The Royal Botanic Garden is a wonderful place to relax, reconnect with nature, and escape the city's heat. Whether you're meditating, doing yoga, or simply lying on the grass, the garden offers a serene environment for all. Pack a picnic, find a shady spot, and enjoy the serenity of this urban oasis. With its lush landscapes and peaceful ambience, the Royal Botanic Garden is the perfect place for a family outing or a quiet retreat. Sun, sand, and surf Bondi Beach. No trip to Sydney would be complete without experiencing the city's famous beach culture, and there's no better place to do that than at Bondi Beach, Sydney's most iconic stretch of sand. Bondi is a place where you can truly embrace the Australian lifestyle. Surf's always up at Bondi, making it a haven for surfers of all levels. Even if you're not a surfer, there's plenty to keep you entertained. Take a dip in the ocean, soak up the sun on the golden sand, or simply people watch from one of the many cafes and restaurants that line the beach. For a scenic coastal walk, follow the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, a 6-kilometre path that hugs the coastline. Along the way, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the ocean, secluded coves and dramatic cliffs. Fun for the whole family. Darling Harbour. Located on the western edge of the city centre, Darling Harbour is a vibrant waterfront precinct that offers something for everyone. With its bustling atmosphere, family-friendly attractions and stunning harbour views, Darling Harbour is a must-visit destination. For a fun-filled day out with the kids, head to Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, where you can marvel at sharks, rays, dugongs and other marine creatures. At Wildlife Sydney Zoo, you can get up close and personal with koalas, kangaroos, wombats and other Australian wildlife. Darling Harbour is also home to a variety of museums, including the Australian National Maritime Museum, the Powerhouse Museum and the Chinese Garden of Friendship. After a day of exploring, relax at one of the many restaurants or cafes that line the waterfront. Enjoy a delicious meal as you soak up the lively atmosphere and harbour views.